animated title card pulsing to music.
Today's my first day at a new school, new hallways, new kids, new everything. Zay fidgeting with his locks.
Zay, you ready? I made your favorite waffles.
I'm not ready. What if they don't like me? Zay's room walls wobble and distort. In my mind, my nerves were ninjas. Fast, sneaky, and really loud. Zay looking small and intimidated, ninja shadows whispering doubts.
Big bro, those ninjas are only strong if you don't face them. What are you really feeling?
I'm scared, but I do want to try. Ninjas disappear, Zay grows confident.
Colorful school building on a sunny day.
All right, one step at a time. Zay walks towards school entrance. Zay enters classroom, classmate waves. Girl compliments Zay's locks.
Welcome, Zay, everyone. This is our new classmate. Close-up of Zay smiling genuinely.
I still felt nervous, but it's okay to feel big feelings. Talking to someone helps, and sometimes the scariest part is just taking the first step. Name that feeling, say it loud. Big or small, you'll feel real proud. Talk it out, breathe in deep. You got this. Go take that leap.